Bye bye flamingos. Bye bye.
What are these chickens?
Ibis.
We have like Sydney.
There are bin chickens.
We call them bin chickens.
Because they're in bins and they're everywhere in Sydney.
We have like 1,000.
Really? Best.
Like
Yeah,
these are like
they're
everywhere.
like pigeons,
They're essentially our pigeons.
They're like.
So you guys like eat them? Do you guys eat them?
So the equivalent in the States, the equivalent of the, what's the name of the one? The flying rats? What do we call it?
Yeah.
Literally
Seagulls.
flying rats.
Seagulls. But seagulls, we don't eat seagulls though.
Call them the flying rat.
Yeah, us as well. We have the pigeons. The problem. So they have this bird problem. We have the seagulls. We have
But
the
yours is
pigeons.
nicer and cuter.
You have a death wish, baby? Sweet baby? Go nene, go nene.